Hello and welcome. Today we are talking about a growing trend called sleep divorce. The term may sound unusual, but it simply means that couples choose to sleep in separate beds or even separate bedrooms. The biggest reason is snoring. One partner's loud snores disturb the other's sleep. The second one is different sleep schedules. One may sleep early while the other stays up late scrolling on the phone. The third one is restless sleeping habits. Constant tossing and turning can make it hard for the partner to rest. And finally, for many, it's about better sleep quality. Studies suggest that sleeping separately often improves rest, which is essential for our mental and physical health. So, sleep divorce doesn't always means emotional distance. It's often about finding peace in sleep.